Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the usage of us and we. We and us are both pronouns, but they take different parts in a sentence. We means I plus you. Us means me plus you. When to use we and when to use us? When choosing between we and us, you need to determine if it is the subject or the object of a verb. We is a subject pronoun and is used in subject position. Us is an object pronoun and is used in object position. Example, we do everything. We occupies the subject position. Everything is done by us. Us occupies the object position.